Hi guys, and welcome to Black Stag Styling. Thank you for joining us for one of our videos here. Really good one this, so we have in with us for the next couple of days a BMW X5. This is a brand new one, so it's the 45E M Sport X-Drive. It's a 23 reg and it's come to us from BMW or Inchcape BMW in Ipswich. So give them a shout if you're interested in a new or used BMW, of course. And then of course it needs to come to us to have some of the styling done, which is why this one's with us. So it's in to have a full Maxton body kit fitted. This is all in gloss black, or supplied and fitted by ourselves because we are an authorised Maxton dealer. So do give us a shout if we can help with anything like this. Add some extra styling to your new, used car, whatever it is you might have, do give us a shout. So we're going to run through all the parts. We've got a front splitter, we've got side skirts, we have a rear diffuser to go on as well, and then a roof spoiler. Like I say, all the bits in gloss black, they're all going to be fitted, bonded, screwed, everything that needs to be done to have them correctly fitted to the vehicle. So we'll be getting this in the workshop in a minute, but in the meantime, don't forget, please do like and subscribe to the channel. You stay fully up to date with everything we're doing. Check out some of the other videos on the channel, as there are loads of different things we've been up to with our styling and our repairs. And then let's just get this into the workshop. Guys are all ready, so we'll roll the intros and then we'll crack on with the work. Here we go. Happy days.
Hello, pal.
Hello there, mate.
How are we doing?
We're all good, pal. We're all good.
Good, good. Right, so we've got all the Maxton parts here for the brand spanking new BMW X5. It's X-Drive 45E. Lovely, lovely vehicle. We're just going to add a little bit of extra styling to it.
Superb.
So we've got the front splitter right at the front there going on.
Yeah, man.
Will look good on, and then we've got the rear diffuser, small lip rear spoiler, and then the two side skirts.
Lovely job.
Go nicely with all the other gloss black bits already on the car, so a little match up to those, the grills, wind mirrors, the lot.
Super, yeah, going to go nicely, like I say, with all the gloss black bits and that. Smart looking car, this, isn't it?
Yeah, it's nice, doesn't it?
In your favourite colour?
It is, yeah, it's nice colour.
It's grey, isn't it?
Nice colour. Yeah, it is grey.
Looks like it's a grey. Nice blue brake calipers.
It's electrified by eye. By eye.
Why, aye?
Electrified by my little eye.
Now blue calipers. Blue around the centre caps as well. And even blue in the headlights. Lots of blue. Yeah. Blue inside as well, isn't it?
Lots of cameras around it. There's cameras all over the show.
Yeah, it's a bit of a flash bit of kit this. Brand spanking new on a 23 reg.
Yeah.
So yeah, hopefully customer will be pleased with this. We get cracking, should we, mate?
Yeah.
Get cracking with it.
We'll crack on with it.
Right, so Rob is now getting the front splitter section primered, ready for the bonding agent. So he's just applying that. You can just about see what looks like a matte finish. So he's just applying the primer to it. He's already test fitted it and done pre-drilled his holes, ready for the metal fixings or screws as well. So he's just getting his bonding agent on ready for it all to go onto the car. There we go. That'll be the first section done, and then moving on to the next bits.
Right, so we are back with Roberto, now putting the front splitter on. Got all his bonder, all his primer on there, pre-drilled all your holes, haven't you, Rob? He's lost his voice, I think, Rob, so I talked for it. Yeah, it'll be all nut and bolted up.
Lovely. There's the old bonding agent, lovely, lovely.
Yeah. Right,
here we go, lads.
Edge to edge, Al. Edge to edge, hey?
So like we say, Rob had already lined it all up, test fitted it, and it fits nicely, like always.
It's easy to line.
Actually, look proper cool. So changes the look of any of these vehicles with these front splitters on. So much more aggressive.
That bit me a minute ago, so yeah, I can confirm that. Right. You got a nut and bolt, Rob? And dip one in, or?
Don't forget, do check out some of the other videos on the channel, particularly if you're into the Maxton Design stuff, as we've got quite a few cars on there now, or vehicles on there now with the Maxton kits fitted, from cars to vans. Check them out.
Like and subscribe, baby.
Yeah, baby.
Hold on, I'm trying to put a little clamp on it, Rob.
So they're now getting the nuts and bolts into the pre-drilled holes. Rob had already removed the lower under tray of the car so we can get up behind the bumper to fully tighten everything in place. Got some washers as well, just to of course secure everything.
You haven't, but you can.
Hold on. Right, okay, so Rob's now got all the bolts in, so we've got a mixture of bolts and a few self-tappers as well, of course along with all the bonding agent as well. We've got our fixings up inside there, and that's the same all the way along. And then moving to the other side, we've got all our fixings in there as well. So along with the bonding agent, that is not going anywhere. So Rob's now going to get the under trail onto the vehicle, so we'll let him crack on. Thank you, pal. Right, okay, so Rob is now about to get the primer onto the first side skirt. Again, these have all been test fitted by Rob. All ready to get the primer on now. He knows they're all going to fit all okay. So that's what he's now putting on there. So the primer, the purpose to that is to help the bonding agent secure fully to the side of the vehicle with the side skirt, just to make sure that basically nothing comes away or comes loose. And then of course we use the metal fixings as well as the bonding agent. So Rob's just getting that primer on. Lovely job. And then it'll be time to get this on to the side of the vehicle. Already look smart these, but definitely adding the gloss black Maxton Design parts will make a big difference. Go with all the other gloss black bits. I nearly forgot to say as well, we have got the wing mirror covers to do, so we'll be removing them, painting them in the gloss black as well, just to go with all the other bits on the vehicle. Right, so Rob's now getting the bonding agent on as well. So we use a Terrason bonding agent because it's really good. Simple as that. Proper decent stuff. So Rob's just getting this on top of the primer, and then it'll be time to get this side skirt onto the vehicle. Right, so guys, now getting the side skirt on this side all fitted. They've also pulled down the guards from, or shields from underneath the vehicle, just to check inside the side skirt to make sure there's no wires. Being that it's a hybrid vehicle, we just want to check for any power cables before putting any of the screws and fixings in, just to make sure we're not going to cause any risk or problems with the customer's car. Right, so now time to get the rear splitter section or diffuser, whatever it is, bumper extension on. Rob's already put the primer and then the bonding agent. As you can see, it's all been test fitted like all the other bits. The guys are now getting this on to the vehicle. So Rob's already done the rear spoiler. That is looking rather nice. Used his markings just to make sure it all lined up okay. So that's now all on the car. So that's got your double-sided tape plus some bonding agent on it as well. And then all the marks will be cleaned off at the end.
Do you want, Tommy?
And
yeah.
Just lining up that lower bumper extension. Right, okay, so we are now coming to the end of the Maxton Design styling to the BMW X5 4-inch Cape BMW for their customer. So Rob's now getting all the tape off from holding the trims on. Of course, they've been bonded and bolted and screwed on as well, but we like to make sure everything is done correctly. So he's now getting all of that off and just sitting behind me, and then I'll be doing all the last quality checks just to make sure everything is exactly how we want it before we ring them to let them know they can come and get it. So we'll let Rob crack on with this, and we'll see it very shortly, all done and ready to go out. Well, there we go, guys. Thank you for checking out another one of our videos here at Black Stag Styling, where it's been a pleasure to have in with us this BMW X5, brand spanking new, directly from BMW Ipswich. So that's Inchcape BMW. Check them out if you want any to get yourself a nice new BMW. Then, of course, come to us here, Black Stag Styling, to have some extra styling. So this one's been in with us to have the Maxton Design body kit all fitted, or the body styling. And starting at the front of the car, we have supplied and fitted the gloss black lower splitter section. So that's been fitted, or test fitted, bonded, screwed, bolted, everything it could possibly need onto the front bumper. So all professionally fitted. So that is not going to be moving anywhere whilst the customer has got his car back and using it. So that looks really smart, adds a lovely extra sporty look to the front of the vehicle. Then moving down the sides of the car, we have our side skirts. So again in gloss black, all Maxton Design, so fit lovely. Really add just a nice little touch to the side of the vehicle, and of course follow on from the front splitter. Then going to the back of the car, we have our rear diffuser, again in gloss black, all fitted, bonded, screwed, bolted, you know, to the back of the to the rear bumper, lower section of the rear bumper, adding that last little sporty finish. And then just to top it all off, we have the rear spoiler, again in gloss black, all bonded and taped onto the top of the tailgate. So looking really smart. Thank you for checking out the video. Hopefully you like everything we've done. Give us a shout here at Black Stag Styling, because we're an official Maxton Design dealer and fitter, so we can help you with anything like that. Check it out on our website, everything like that. Don't forget, do like and subscribe to the channel. Turn on the notifications and stay fully up to date with everything we're doing, and we'll catch you again soon for another video. Last look around the car, of course, links are all down below for Inchcape and everything else we're involved with, all of our socials, and we'll catch you again soon for another video. Stay safe and take care.